Alright, let's look at the following question. Alright, this question, pause the video. Alright, please pause the video, try the question. It's a very easy question, and this question requires to find the expectation of x, alright, or we said the expected value of x or the mean of x, and followed by using all the properties. Alright, okay, let's look at this question. X is a discrete random variable, right? With px equals to x, px equals to x equals to k. This is when the time x is 2, 4, and 6, right? And followed by px equals to x equals to 2kx when the random variable is 1, 3, and 5, right? So you look at the question. So look at this question. So they're asking you to find the value of k, and you already know that x is a discrete random variable. So what is a characteristic of discrete random variable, right? You must know that the sum of all the probability for all the discrete random variable, okay? Probability of all the discrete random variable, if you sum up, you are getting 1, right? So okay, if you look at this question here, so the sum of all the probability of all the discrete random variable will be equal to 1, right? So there you have 1, 3, 5, and 2, 4, 6, right? So let's total up the 1, 3, 5 first, all right? 1, 3, 5 first. So means that when px equals to 1, 1, okay, I just write everything. Px equals to 2, px equals to 3, 4, all right? I hope you know what I mean. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 4, px equals to 5, and px equals to 6, right? All the random variable. So 1 up to 6. So total up, everything must be 1. That's the very important statement here, okay? That we must know. So now what is px equals to 1, right? Px equals to 1. If x is 1, so if x is 1, is follow this function here, right? 1. So x is 1, so it will be 2k multiply 1. Yes or not? Right? Substitute 1, right? The x. So when x is 1, 2k multiply 1. So when x is 2, it will follow, you are just taking this constant, right? Because it's independent of x. So plus with x equals to 3. So 3. So it will be 2k multiply with 3, right? So followed by 4, right? 4, you will following this constant here, k, right? K add up with px equals to 5, 5, so 2k multiply 5, 2k multiply 5, and lastly 6, 6 you are getting the constant, right? So this is always tested in your discrete random variable, because it's very important that you must know that the sum of all the x here must be equals to 1. So then you have 2k plus 1, you have 3, right? You have 3 plus 6, right? 3 plus, okay, I just writing all, here will become 3k, all right? This 2 will become 3k, and this will become 6 plus 1, all right? 3, 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7k plus with, all right? 10 plus 1, 11k, all must be 1, right? So if you sum up 7 plus 3, you have 10k, right? Plus with 11k equals to 1. So sum up, you will know that 21k is 1. So then you know that the value of k will be 1 over 21. So as simple as that. So after you know the value of k is 1 over 21, then you can construct, okay, it's better for us, for this type of discrete random variable, we want to construct a probability distribution table. It's actually helping us in finding all the value, right, expectation, or maybe later variance, or the probability required by the question. You construct a probability distribution table, it will be helping you, right? Let's see what I mean here. All right, okay, let's construct the probability distribution table. So as you know that the k, you know that is 1 over 21, right? 1 over 21, and definitely this one you also know that is 2 over 21x, right? 2 over 21x. So, okay, you just construct a probability distribution table. So the meaning here will be there's a random variable x and the probability of that random variable. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? 6 random variable. Okay, and now we're going to put all the value into the table. So for here, you can see that when x is 2, 4, and 6, it will be a constant. The probability is 1 over 21, right? So for all this will be 1 over 21, 1 over 21, and 1 over 21, right? And for the odd random variable, so 1, 3, 5, you substitute with 1, you are getting 2 over 21, right? When x is 3, 2 times 3, 6 over 21, right? And 5, so 2 times 5, you have 10 over 21. So if you total up all the value here, it must be equals to 1. So 2 plus 1, 3, right? 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. Plus 1, 21, right? 21 over 21 is 1, right? So, okay, now you have a probability distribution table. And you can start answering the question here. The question is asking us to find the value of k. Yeah, done. We have already found. Fine. So EX, right, expectation of x. How to find the mean of x, right? You have learned previously. Very simple. You just add up, right? You just multiply 1 times with 2 over 21, add up with 2 multiplied with 1 over 21, plus with 3 multiplied with 6 over 21, plus with 4 multiplied with 1 over 21, 5 multiplied with 10 over 21, plus with 6 multiplied with 1 over 21, right? You sum up all the you take the x multiplied with its own probability and you sum up everything, all right, for each of the random variable here. So let's calculate what's the value. All right, based on using calculator, I will getting the value in 3 significant figure, it will be 3.9. Okay, in 4 significant figure, it will be 905. All right, I give in 4 significant figure or 3 decimal places. 3.905. So this will be your answer for this for the mean of x. Alright, or you can give in fraction form, which is more accurate. Alright, I prefer giving in fraction form. So how is it? Very simple. Actually, very simple to calculate this. If you see that the denominator all is 21, right? So it will be over with 21, right? So we just add up the value up there. 2 plus 2 plus 18 plus 4 plus 50 plus 6. So total up you will have 82 over 21, right? Which is more accurate without rounding off here. So it's 82 over 21. So now I write this 82 over with 21. Alright, and then we're going to use this value to answer the question. Alright, if the question asking us to find the expectation of 5x, for example, okay, expectation of 5x. Very simple. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to using the properties of expectation. So E5x. So you can just write the E and 5EX, right? Then you can substitute 5 multiply with 82 over with 21, right? And you will get the value of the expectation of 5x. Which we're giving you 5 times with 82 divided by 21, right? Or 5 times 82, you will have 410 divided by 21, all right? So this will be the expectation for 5x. So what if the question is asking you to, do you still remember, right? We follow these properties here. So if you have expectation of a constant, you will get back the constant. If you have expectation of ax plus b, so you will write as a ex plus with b, right? Very simple. So for example, you have expectation of 2x, okay, 3x, right? 3x minus with 1. Alright, find the expectation of 3x minus with 1. It will be easier if you're using the properties of expectation, right? So 3ex, right? 3ex minus with negative, there will be a negative because expectation of a constant. If the constant is negative, it will become to be a negative value. So negative 1 also, right? So then you already have the value of the expectation is 82 over with 21, all right, minus with 1. Then you just calculate this, then you will get the answer, which will giving you 225 divided by 21, all right? All right, what if the question asking you to find for expectation of negative 3 multiplied with a random variable, right? So it's also very simple. We follow the concept of EAX, right? You can just write the constant, take out the constant, EX, right? If this is negative, it will be a negative. If this is positive, this will be a positive. Negative 3, so you have negative 3 EX, right? So you just take the negative 3 multiplied with the expectation that you found from the table. So over 21, right? So same thing also for this. So expectation of 1 is a constant, so you're getting 1. So negative 2, right? It's just like E negative 2x, just like this, E negative 2x. Then you will have negative 2EX. So you have 1 minus 2, 82 over 21, right? This is the way we apply the properties of expectation in calculating the expectation of random variable, right? A different random variable. So, okay, let's calculate the value. For this, you have negative 246 divided by 21, all right? And for this, we have negative 143 divided by 21, all right? So, as long as you know how to apply the three properties here, the purpose of this video is I want to teach you how to use the three properties here. So expectation of A, if expectation of AX, it will be AEX, right? So if you have expectation of AX plus with B, you were getting AE of X, right? AE of X plus with B, all right? So very important properties that you must know. Alright, that's all for this video.